Do you have customers who are looking for sewn-on twill names and numbers, but you don't have the equipment needed to do it? Check out Discovery Lancer's ProStitch letters and numbers. They're made to be applied with a heat press while giving a sewn-on look. Here's how we make them. First, we die cut the letter or number out of ProTwill. Next, we sew a zigzag stitch around the outside. If it's a 2 or 3 color number, we sew the different size pieces together. We then apply welding film to the back. This is a heat-activated adhesive that creates a permanent bond between the letter or number and the garment. When you receive your order, they will look just like this. To apply them, you simply load the jersey onto your heat press, align the letters and numbers, cover with Teflon, and press. Shop online at discoverylancer.com and receive free shipping on orders of $300 or more.